Ahua, 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 ahua. Ahua, ahua, ahua. Tiny bubble, tiny, tiny bubble in my Tusker makes me happy. In my Tusker makes me happy. In my wallet makes me happy. Makes me wanna buy more. Makes me wanna pay more. In my wallet makes me happy. In my wallet makes me happy. Makes me wanna buy more. Makes me wanna buy more. In my neighborhood makes me happy. In my neighborhood makes me happy. Makes me wanna love more. Makes me wanna love more. Makes me wanna love more. Ahua, ahua, ahua. Good morning, guys. It is 6:30 a.m. East African time here in Kenya, and today I'm heading somewhere for a very nice game. So let's go and see how things will be. That's what I'm having this. I'm heading to Malinya. It's very early in the morning. You can hear the cock crowing. So let's see what we gonna find today. A very nice and common game that does do happen here in Kakamega. You can hear the cock. Let's see what we will find today. This is Malinya Stadium, and this is where normally the bullfighting contest normally takes place. It is a favorite stadium here known for bullfighting contests. And so any time from now, we will have the bull contest. So we are waiting any time to see the contest. Okay, so the owner is the owner who is having the flag here. Malinya Stadium. Brother, huyu ng'ombe anaitwaje? Costa. And na ule mwingine? Ule watapigana na yupi? Na ule mwingine? Oh. So this is the owner of the bull here. The bull is Costa. So we are waiting for its opponent. Anytime we want to start the contest here. So we are at Malinya. Maybe I want to give a chance to my brother here to introduce himself. Introduce yourself. Your name?
Mimi ni Brian Ngosi.
Brian Ngosi.
Nimeleta hapa Costa.
Costa,
Nataka nione mwenye ananitafuta kuche tumalize vitina.
Okay.
Tumalize vitina, sitakaga maneno kusema huu ni kaokopa hapana. Ngombe kuje tu tuweke kwa ingine.
Okay. So is Brian
Ngosi.
Brian Ngosi from Shiwakala. And he's waiting for another bull, which they will have the contest with the Costa. This is Costa right here. And so let's wait and see if the other partner is fouled, then we want to start the contest. So before the contest starts, that's how they normally talk to it. I don't know. You see the person in front, the boy in front is talking to it. And it seems like it is listening. He's talking to it in Luya. And he's saying that you have not come here like to have a date. You see, a date is like when you ask someone for your money, and it has come closer. This is Costa. Costa. So this is Costa here. Just come closer to be on camera. And these are the participants. Those ones who are cheering Costa. They are here, just waiting for the opponent. Yeah, now you know the schools have closed, so. And even it is on Saturday. This game normally happens on Saturdays, so that's why you can see having good number of kids here, school-going kids. But schools have closed. So and even so, it is on a weekend. So let's see and find out if Costa finds a partner that he will contest with. He's really eager waiting for the other partner. That is Sukuti. Yeah, the second ball is in the stadium, so let's see the agreement and see if we have a contest or not. So they are heading to the contest, but yeah. So that was the game.
Masai, boleh sisir mengko.
So this is Ninja.
Ninja is going to fight Jeshi. So there will be a match contest between Jeshi and Ninja. So we are waiting. Anytime match is gonna start, the contest. I mean. So we are at the center. This is Ninja. Now we are waiting for Jeshi. Ninja one. Oh yeah. 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 Ninja.
Uri kubi.
So Ninja one.
Pore pore. Uri kisana tawe hoya timono rono saidi.
Ninja.
Yani murere ngombe yegize kwana.
So we had the contest. Earlier on, we had Costa, and unfortunately, Costa didn't fight with the other partner. But the second team was Ninja versus Jeshi, and so the contest, the one who won the contest was Ninja. And even so, it didn't take a lot of minutes. It was just a couple of like 2 minutes, and it was over. So the other Costa was to contest with this, the one behind me. Unfortunately, it has no name, but I think now Ninja's taken the day. Now that Costa didn't fight with the other cow, or the other bull, I mean, the one that you have seen, I've shown you earlier. So that has been the day, and now we are leaving the stadium until another day. So I'll head back to town so that we can get to know and wait for any other day when we'll be having the contest. That is it for today. When I had these, you have seen there are so many fans here, and they are very peaceful. They are very fine. They are very peaceful. So this is just as this is used to control the cows actually, so that you don't get hurt by the bulls, I mean. So that was it for today. Let's see what we'll have on the some other day, if the match is actually planned, and I'll be there, I think so that we can get to know much of it. Last year, I know, during 31st, there were so many bullfighting contests, like there were 10 pairs. But today we had 4, but unfortunately the 2 didn't take place. So we had only Ninja and Jeshi. Those ones, they tried to engage very effectively, and Ninja won the contest. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. Salute. Bye for now. See you on the next video. I go by the name Weku 001.